bird. Mind you, this is my new bird. And there's Daisy. Good morning to all. It's been a long time, no vlog. I don't know, fuck, whatever. Well, you all know that. Well, my name is Liana, if you're new. I don't normally say my name. Today, I will be I have physical therapy at 11, so I'm going to get out my car in a bit, and then after that, I'm going to head to the gym and work out for about an hour-ish, maybe about 45 minutes, and then I am going to go back home, and then, well, also, I got to drop off some stuff at my job, but my job also has a gym there, so I'm going to use it while I'm there, and then, today is my third physical therapy appointment, and so I'll talk a little bit more later about general update and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go in, and since I have like 20 minutes spare, I'd rather go in early and get out early, and yeah, see you later. All right, so therapy session was a success. It was good. am gonna go to the gym and do a body workout just because like I want to feel like even. And plus with work yesterday, I need to stretch my body on a treadmill and do an incline walk because yeah, I really fucking hate that I have this damn pimple on my body, like near my lip. Like, it's so fucking annoying. Oh my god. But I'll see you later. So, as you saw, I did a 30-minute workout on the treadmill with no stopping, so I'm proud with myself. And then I did a ladder workout. It's not sponsored or anything, but I'm enjoying my workout. Like, work is already, like, so the treadmill wasn't that hard because, like, my work consists of hills and things like that, and that's why I picked that workout as well too. And then it's just of me with my strength recovery is what I want to work on as well, so like I could speed up. Since I'm already at 83%, I want to speed up correctly. I didn't want to start working out before I started physical therapy because I want to see what I was capable of doing, and then the workout that I found on the ladder kind of like it did that. And so I wish I found this app sooner. So like, yeah, no sponsor. I'm not sponsored by it. This is my personal try out because like I've had bad experiences with working out and it was just really daunting. And so like I really enjoy, and I know exactly what I'm doing. So it's not like I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing in a gym. You know, I have like what I'm doing, but I'll talk a little bit later when I'm home, and I'll see you when I'm home. All right, mateys. I'm a horrible vlogger. So if you're new, I'm sorry. Don't expect me to be the best in the industry here, okay? And I've been dealing with my wrist injury and stuff like that, but I'm feeling a lot better where I could like start a little bit of editing with my long form content. I was just dealing with a lot of. But I'll talk a little bit later more. I'm getting ready for physical therapy. I'm not gonna work out today just because like I want to give myself a break, but I might work out tomorrow since I don't have nothing else to do. And other than that, I'm gonna come back and clean my room and stuff. Oh, TJ Maxx, I'm gonna get my suitcase today. And then I have to go to Petco to get bird food because they are not liking this brand. So I have to get like some other stuff for them to try out and things. So I'm trying my best. I'm gonna try my best and vlog it. But today is Wednesday. And yeah, physical therapy Mondays and Wednesdays. And other than that, yeah, we can continue with life. I'll see you later. Made it to my therapy. It is 10:38. I'm gonna just stay here for like a couple of minutes, to be like 20 minutes early. You know? So then, yeah. I don't know. You know, but like I said, I could talk a little bit while I'm here. I'm just gonna turn off my car to save gas because gas is hella expensive. My goal is to leave for my contract like around the end of July, August type. I'm still in school. I'm studying supply chain and operations management. The class that I'm taking right now is fundamental data and spreadsheets. I'm learning a lot in Excel actually, because I used to have mad beef when it comes to like Excel and learning it. So like this class is really understanding the basics of how to operate Excel and everything, and I can easily cooperate with the functions and the data of learning it and things like that. So it's very helpful in that sense, and I'm having a better experience this time around in learning it. For my wrist, I told you earlier that I started working out, but I'm not gonna work out today, but I'll work out tomorrow just because like I'm tired from working yesterday and it rained. I worked 7 hours before it rained without a break, and I'm exhausted, and then my fingers were numbing because of the rain and stuff. So like I had numbing yesterday, and then just with the fact like when I did work out, or like even like when I was braiding my hair, it was like locking. So like I don't have full range of like my motion with like twisting. I'm showing you with this hand because like I'm recording with my right hand, but like it hurts really a lot more on like my middle finger here, and like just this middle section, and then my pinky. So like up to here and to here is where it hurts mainly. And then with that, I got a new bird. Her name is Nummus, and she's crazy. I gotta get bird food like I said. And then yeah, today's actually a really good day. It's not as hot. I'm kind of mad because I wish I had work days like this, but whatever. But yeah, I think that with what I'm going through, I don't like what I'm going through because like I have one of my training friends, she's leaving Sunday, and I could have been leaving the next following Sunday, and I'm still fucking here, you know. But I think my contract would have lined up fine, but I'm just like starting a few weeks later than what I originally would have been, and I'm still gonna be doing school and stuff, so like with that, and yeah, and that way like I could finish a couple of classes in the meantime of that. So yeah, I had an Amazon order put through, just like with like the not technical stuff, but like stuff that I will be using but not really, and then my next Amazon order would be like clothes and stuff. Clothes, mainly clothes. And then yeah, I think that's it for that. And then today, after my appointment, I'm gonna be going to TJ Maxx and Petco to get a couple of things from there, and then I'll be home. I'll do homework, catch up on my homework, and then yeah. Other than that, that is it, and I'll get back with you when I'm out of my appointment. I am out recording. Sorry, it is 11:56. However, I can say, I think I've already like mentioned before, is that like my wrist therapy recovery is better going than my ankle recovery. Like night and day difference. It's so much easier, and like I don't feel like I'm being like pressured, like rushed into it. Like it's only like me that I'm rushing because like, you know, I want to get to my contract and everything, but they're not rushing me in my recovery. So like I'm like trying to like take like a calm down, like, Liana, like you're gonna get there, you know. So like, but we're gonna go to TJ Maxx, Petco, and then home, and I will see you at TJ Maxx. No, this is the one. Yeah, they have my suitcase. I need to get the shirt, the right size. 21. Now that's cute. I could see doing something like that for like Halloween or something. I don't know. Alright, let's go. So I am home now. I am gonna clean up my room for a little bit. I went to Petco, of course, got Bird some food. I got food for Moses, and I got my suitcase. So like maybe in like 4 weeks or so. And then later I'm gonna do some homework. So yeah. This is where we've gotten so far. She just came from under my bed. Little stink. And then there's Miss Daisy. My little birdies. Did I clean my room? No. Do I have a face mask on? Yeah, hell yeah, I do. I look Gucci. I'm gonna be doing this like when I'm on the ship and everything. LOL. And then like I had like really bad acne. I was like breaking out because being in a pool and all of that water shit. But yeah, I'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna go to the gym in the morning, so like yeah. Look at them, they're getting along. There's Nevis, there's Daisy. I got the sun and the sky together. Daisy's like really being mom mode right now. I saw her earlier just like teaching her how to like eat from the food. She's such a sweetheart with her little sister. I love them. They're so cute. You're such a good big sister, Daisy. She don't even care about me no more. I love you, Daisy. A la vida, miss. Bruh, look at that dark ass cloud. Or am I tripping? What the fuck? Workout session is completed. It is 12:41, so I did about an hour. So the thing about it is, like, I don't feel sore after my workout, but I feel sore after my shift, which is crazy of a coincidence of that. But like, even like with my workouts, I feel stronger. But like, yeah, I'm okay though. But other than that, I have to go to Target because I'm running out of, I had to sneeze. I'm running out of hygiene products, so I need to get some shower stuff. And I'm fucking breaking out around my lips, and I hate that. Like, anywhere. Like, it has to be around my lips. I don't understand. But I will see you at Target. Oh, this one doesn't even have Target on it. They got tree hot. Tangerine. Oh, this is lotion. Oh. Body wash. This is lotion. Low key though. I kind of want it because I like that brand. And I like that scent. Okay, we're gonna find tree hot. Oh no, this is hair stuff. I do need like a conditioner. No, I don't. I got you. And now I see my wash guys. There it is. Oh, they do. They do have it. Raspberry fizz. Ugh. Oh god. Gotta smell it first. No, I like it, but it's not strong. I like a strong smell. I don't like that. No. I heard about jukebox. Hydrating ingredients. I don't know. I don't hate it. Ugh. No, I don't like this one at all. No. I think I'm gonna do this one better. I like this one a lot better. Do I get both or should I get? Oh, and I got a Athena, but I'm spending money. That much money on okay, I gotta get with this. And then, what else do I need? Shaving. I do need some shaving stuff though, because I need to shave. Okay. And then, I need a shaver. I need a shaver for my armpits. Okay. I still have some like exfoliating, but I think I'm gonna do it. I get 3 for $5.99. I'm gonna get that. Yeah. Do they got bonus? No, I'm gonna keep. Where is? I mean, I got something coming from Amazon for hair stuff, so like I don't need any conditioner or anything. Anybody spray? Vitamin spray? No, I'm not gonna buy it. Not right now. Let's. Oh, sorry. Tree. Alright, I'll see you later. Alrighty, I am home. I also got an Amazon package, so I'm gonna also show you what I got from Target and Amazon. But for Amazon, starting on strong, I got this. I got Ren Pure Biotin and Collagen Volumizing Conditioner and Shampoo. So I got this off of Amazon. The Target, already used it. I have gotten shaving Billy. I got 3 blades. I already used one. I got Veneri body wash. Smells so good. I'm like so refreshed after my workout and I'm clean. Also got the Jelly Bear exfoliating tree hut, and I also got the shaving cream as well. And then I also got some more sunscreen because I am obviously low on sunscreen and I need it for the summer. And then I gotta put that back in the bathroom. And then for Amazon, this was supposed to be for my birds, but I didn't get the right size, so I'll still keep it though because I can use it to wash it around. I got a whiteboard for school because I need a whiteboard for my class. I got more chargers. I got resistant bands for my workout, for my wrists and everything. What's this? Oh, sunglasses. I got sunglasses for work. Oh, these are cute. Yeah. Instead of using my glasses, I have like a cheap sunglasses pair to like, you know, to save my glasses. Oh, they work good. They work well. Okay, I like them. I like them a lot. Okay. What's this? Oh, anyways. Something. Oh, I got a cloth. That's cool. I didn't realize that was cool. Okay. What's this? I don't even remember what I bought. So I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a pillow. I bought a pillow. I forgot I bought a pillow. A neck pillow for me. That's great that it comes so I can use it for tonight. Or like right now when I'm taking my nap after I record this video. Perfect. And then I'm going to bring it with me for Hawaii. Nice. It looks like this. And then I got colored. Is this my bird stuff? Oh yeah, this is collarbone, bone. I don't know how you say it, but it's for their beaks. And I got 2 females now, so this is perfect. And it comes in 3, so they already have one in their cage, so this is just like extra, you know, collarbone for their beaks. And yeah, because I didn't do that beforehand, and so like, and Nummus likes to chew, so when she finds it, she'll eat it up. She'll eat it up real quick. And she's a chirping little girl. She's chirpy. She talks a lot. This is my first order. I ordered a couple of other things that are coming, but I'll do that at a later date. Right now, I'm exhausted and I want to lay down. And I'm gonna clean my room later too. But I need to like rest my body and charge my phone. Charge my phone. I think it's one of these ones. So, yeah. I'm going to end the video here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.